heading to the English city of Derby.
From checking out the historic cathedrals to searching for the historic haunts, the Leonardo Hotel Derby is a popular choice to spend the night for tourists and those traveling on business.
This is Jen and Ryan from Everest Travels, and today we'll be looking at the quality of the rooms, the beds, the location, dining, amenities.
Plus, stick around to find out how much we paid for our stay at this hotel.
Before we begin, if you find this video helpful in making your decision or planning your upcoming vacation, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more England and European travel videos.
The Leonardo Derby is located in the Cathedral Quarter, which is roughly a 5 to 10 minute walk to the city center. Now, the walk into the city center is a delight with cathedrals, stars of Derby on the streets, and shops, both local and corporate, lining the streets. The Derby on Shopping Center is a roughly 15-minute walk from the hotel, quicker by car. And on that note, many tourist attractions are a short car ride away, and the Derby train station, which can connect you to London and other areas of the UK, is only a 7-minute drive or 30-minute walk away.
Let's have a look at our room. Come on in.
We're at the Leonardo Derby in Derby, UK.
And yes, when you first come into the room, we have a little closet space here.
So you got it's for the space. It's very conveniently used. Like you've got your towels up here. You can put some stuff here. We've already hung up our coats, put our luggage down. We've got our ironing board, which is good. We're here for a wedding, and we just traveled across the oceans for it. So I'm sure we'll need to iron our clothes.
Definitely. And on your right-hand side is the bathroom, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. I'm also a little nervous. This is really interesting.
What is that?
Looks like, when it's like occupied. It's like
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, old switch, so let's see what's inside. Oh.
Okay, an older looking bathroom.
Yes.
It's definitely not of the time.
The light is a little scary, I'm not gonna lie.
We got 0% branded cosmetics, our towel. We have our shower curtain, so interestingly drawn up.
Yeah.
And then doesn't look to be any calcium buildup down there. It looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
And then some more, of course, shampoos and conditioners. Behind us is the toilet.
Oh, I was wondering where it was.
Yeah. So it's a very tight, cramped space.
Yes.
But it makes use of it.
Yeah, not everything here it is dated, but it's clean. Like, I'm not too scared of what I'm seeing right here.
Yeah, for the price, maybe a mid-tier hotel here in Derby, it's kind of what we were expecting. And now for my favorite part of the room, the full-length mirror.
This mirror, I'm not gonna lie, is not that very, it's only 1% at a time. Two people can't really look at themselves.
Yeah, it's a full-length mirror, but not a full-size mirror because I cut it off because it's only a half wall.
But it's not bad.
We have two beds. This looks like a twin-size bed, maybe a queen bed.
Definitely like a twin.
And this is it's a single bed.
Single bed, yeah.
4 pillows, which is good.
Yeah.
The view is beautiful.
Yeah, no, this is a really nice big window. I can tell it's been updated.
Directly from our room, we have a view of the church, which is kind of a center point in the town of Derby. The city center's over there. We have some landmarks nearby, like the Old Dolphin Inn. The Derby on Shopping Center is only a short walk from here. It's a nice view.
Right next to the window is a lonesome chair.
Moving over to the desk area.
So on the desk, we have the little tea kettle set up.
Because, of course, you're in England.
We have to have tea.
2 cups. What do we got? Twinings pure peppermint.
And some milk.
Raspberry,
I've noticed that
green tea.
here in England, they don't put their milk in the fridge. It's just out there.
Yeah, it kind of makes me feel a little... but it's when in Rome or when in Derby.
Exactly. We also have a really big screen TV.
Well, let's see if it works. It is a good size.
It's a really good size. Again, I like to watch TV in hotel rooms, so this is great.
Looks like a regular TV, not a smart TV, and that's fine.
Look at all the channels. Pretty standard.
Main thing is it works.
Yeah, exactly. And there's more plugs too next to the...
Is there a hair dryer here?
There is. Underneath the desk. Right there.
Why would you put it there?
It's a little different, but it is there in the room.
All right.
plugged in and ready to go.
Let's find out.
I know exactly. I know
Oh.
why it's there.
Nope. It works.
Go.
It's time for the bed test. Oh!
You guys are
Whoa, okay.
Let's try again.
Yeah, don't jump on that bed. It's not firm at all. It took me right down underneath. That was not a comfy bed. Yeah, a lot of.
No, that is yeah.
You see that push? Definitely no firmness there.
Wow.
It's got a mattress cover on it, so that's.
Okay, that's good. That is good. Yeah, that is actually a really good
It's
thing.
automatically on there, which is, both good and bad. Some crumbs on the bed here, but
We should get one of those lights.
nothing too crazy.
I'm actually gonna test out the hand wash and see if it's a good quality. What's it smell like? The brand is Zero Natural Kind Formation. Oh, it smells really clean. Like, it doesn't have a real scent like a citrus or vanilla. It's just like cleaning product smell. Ooh. The hand soap seems pretty good. The shower gel and the shampoo. Same smell, very clean. Doesn't really, okay. Kind of lathers a little bit. Very clean. And then lather's pretty good too. And like, it's sulfate free, it's parabens free, so I don't know, I think this one might be pretty good, especially if you're into that sort of stuff. It is worth noting this is the second room we were given, as the first one we entered had a strong stench of smoke. After raising our concern with the front desk, they swiftly moved us to a new, better smelling room.
The Leonardo Derby has an on-site restaurant that's open for all-day dining. During our stay, we stopped in for breakfast, and it featured a range of hot and cold dishes, from including a hearty, full English breakfast to lighter options like cheese, fresh fruit, and smoothies. We were big fans of their pain au chocolat, having to take a couple back to our room for midday snacks. Now, the restaurant does serve lunch and dinner too, plus there's an on-site coffee bar that gives you a place to always grab a drink.
This isn't your feature-packed hotel. There is an on-site fitness center at the Leonardo Derby, offering cardio and weight workout options. Free Wi-Fi is offered throughout the hotel with a business center and conference facilities on-site. There's also a little convenience store section to grab some late-night snacks and drinks. And the staff are friendly and always ready to help. If you need help ordering a taxi or other needs, just head to the front desk and they'll get it sorted.
And now for how much we paid. The one-night stay at the Leonardo Derby set us back £63, which is roughly $81 USD or $113 Canadian.
Would you recommend this hotel?
The Leonardo Derby definitely shows its age in some sections, like the bathroom in our rooms was definitely from the past. But when you're in a place like Derby, there are not like a plethora of options like you might find in central London. So overall, for the value, for the quality of food that we had, I would recommend it. I think my one negative thing about the entire experience was the beds. The mattress was not soft. It was not comfortable. We were still able to sleep after a long day out and about, but it's certainly not a bed I would rush back to.
I'd have to agree. It was actually quite close to like the downtown center, and the breakfast was pretty delicious. I'll definitely recommend it.
That's our look at the Leonardo Derby Hotel.
If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more videos just like this one.